Hi, let me introduce Production Plan. Not just a Power BI visual, but a complete production planning system that schedules your manufacturing automatically, from your goals, cycle times, and machine setup, buffers included. The first page is Deliveries and Goals. Right away, you see how the current weekly goal stands and how much of it is met. These are the product types you're building this week: city bike, mountain bike, road bike. This demo is a bicycle plant. On each tile, the outer ring shows progress toward the weekly goal. The inner ring, or rings, shows the deliveries. One ring per delivery. Here's the pipeline map. It shows how your areas are built up and connected, and which is the final area. Hover an area to highlight the ones directly before and after it. These connections drive the planning. There's a Gantt view too. For every station, it shows what's scheduled, this week's and next week's goals alike, area by area. Inside an area, you set its shift pattern, which shift schedule that area runs. Here, 3 shifts. You also define planned stops, so the system works out the real open time and plans against it. 2 fine-tuning controls. The shift offset sets how many shifts this station is offset from the next line, and the consolidation threshold controls how aggressively it optimizes machine scheduling. Below, you see the station's machines and their 3-shift schedule. You can view the whole week. Nothing's left for this week since it's all produced, while next week is scheduled. Don't need the settings? Collapse them for more room. You have buffers too, and they come straight from your Power BI data, bound to the fields. And that's the point. Once goals, deliveries, cycle times, and machines are set, the whole production is scheduled automatically. There's a light theme as well, if dark isn't your thing. I'll stick with dark. And the visual is available in 2 languages, English and Hungarian. Up top, the current and next week are always shown, updating automatically as the week rolls over. That's the quick tour of Production Plan. It's available on Microsoft AppSource, link in the description. Thanks for watching.